G'day, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Seniors. You know, at Tech for Seniors, we're always trying to improve our product and add new features. Well, today I have a big announcement, and we're adding a new feature that will be using YouTube's Premiere feature. You know, we've got a lot of content on our YouTube channel, and we're anxious to have it used. So what I've done is I've gone back to each episode and created a short 20-minute video on the pertinent information on that particular day. For example, 1 year ago, episode 16, Huey did an excellent talk on Snagit, and I talked on old photographs. So I've taken that information and put it into a 20-minute video, with the idea that you could use this in your computer club, or you can use it for educational purposes as you wish. We're going to broadcast this on YouTube Premiere. So what does this mean? Well, the format of our show on Monday will stay the same. We're going to have a 60-minute show, as we always have, followed by a Q&A session of about 20 minutes. We're then going to let you get up, rest, maybe go to the bathroom, and at 10:30 or at half past, the YouTube Premiere version will start. This is a YouTube video, and in this case, it's a 20-minute video on what to do with old photographs and Snagit, and it will start automatically at 10:30. You will be able to watch the show. It will be recorded, so it's there for future use. It will be labeled as episode 16A, as the original episode was 16. So each week I will announce what the topics are that will be available for this. All that you have to do is go to our YouTube channel, and at half the hour or at 10:30, the video will start playing. So what does all this mean? Well, today at 10:30, if you come over to our YouTube channel, you'll be able to see the video. So how do you get to the YouTube channel? Maybe you haven't been there before. Well, if you go to www.tech4senior and click on the live stream button at the top of the page, it will take you directly to our YouTube channel. When you get there, you'll see this menu. And if you look here, you'll see, of course, our upcoming Tech for Senior Live on Thursday. And below that, you'll see the YouTube Premiere event that will start at 10:30. The event will continue on for 20 minutes and then stop. We'll have no further discussion, and you will be able to play this video back and use it as a regular YouTube video. There is a chat feature on there, and I'm not sure if we'll monitor the chat or not. We haven't made a decision about that yet. If you had any questions, you could certainly bring those up the following week. So this is a trial program. Hopefully you'll be interested in this and see how it works out. So let's see what happens with our new feature at Tech for Senior, our new YouTube Premiere event.